So Star Trooper, it's a bit funny, and we have the not Carbonada Aventador, Roadster, Carbon, special formed carbon everywhere. I kind of feel like it's in very good economy when you see these type of cars. We have the Star Troopers kind of winding in some funny way. Beautiful plan. I mean, even the shadow of the tinted windows are special. It's a new G-Wagon, of course. Philip line, star screen, of course.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Anyway, that was the new G-Wagon by Mansory. Mansory bag.
And also with the Royce.
This is Philip line.
Secondo.
Okay, let's move on.